In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to Patreon roles integration. By the end, your patrons will automatically receive the right roles in your Discord server, making rewards seamless and hands-free. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Patreon. Click the official Patreon link in the results to head to the site, then log into your creator account. Once you're in, go to your account settings. In the Settings menu, find and open the Apps section. This is where Patreon lists services it can connect to on your behalf. Locate Discord in the list and click Connect. A prompt will open asking you to log into your Discord account and authorize the connection. Make sure you're using the account that has admin access to the specific server you want to link. When the authorization screen appears, review the requested permissions and ensure that Manage Roles is checked. This permission is essential because Patreon needs the ability to assign and remove roles as patrons join, upgrade, downgrade, or cancel. Confirm and complete the authorization. Now switch over to Discord. Open your server, click the server name at the top left, and go to Server Settings, then Roles. Here, create roles that match your Patreon tiers, such as Supporter or VIP, or select existing roles if you already have them. Keep the names clear and consistent so it's easy to map them later. In the roles list, find the Patreon bot role that appeared when you connected. Drag that role to the very top of the role hierarchy, above all member roles that you want Patreon to manage. This is crucial. Discord only allows a role to manage roles beneath it, so putting the Patreon role at the top ensures assignments work. Double-check that the Patreon role has the Manage Roles permission enabled. Return to Patreon, go to Settings, then Connected Apps, and open Discord. You'll see your tiers listed. Select a tier, then choose the corresponding Discord role from the drop-down. Save your changes. Repeat this for each tier, making sure each tier is mapped to a unique role so patrons receive the correct benefits without overlap. From here on, Patreon will sync supporters and apply roles automatically. If a role doesn't apply, verify the Patreon role is still above the mapped roles, the Manage Roles permission is on, and you've selected the correct server. Give the sync a few minutes, and remind patrons to link their Discord in their Patreon profile and join your server. That's it. Your Discord and Patreon are now integrated and ready to reward your community.